Hey guys, it's Rohan here. As always, today's tutorial is about a extension for GDevelop. It's called the microphone extension, which is made by Orthro. He's an awesome guy. I have already installed the extension in the project, and the project you are looking at is from the Endless Runner game tutorial, which I made before. And today we are going to replace the jump button with the mic control. This game is similar to which game? I forgot the name of this game. Okay, so first of all we are going to request the microphone access. I need to disable the default control. Hit apply. Add to condition for key press A and D. Okay, and simulate left key. Okay, now for the jump button we are going to use the microphone. So go to others, compare to number, first expression, get microphone loudness greater than 0.1, hit OK. Simulate jump key for player. Okay, now if we hit play and I scream like hello, oh, hey. Okay, it's a cool extension. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video.